Well, don't mind the yellow. This polish from I Love Nail Polish, and very ornamental, stained me pretty bad, so don't mind that. But I tried the stuff again, and I have to say it's very, very tricky and very, very sticky, and I'm not even sure if I'm curing it long enough, even though I'm doing like 3 minutes each time. But this middle one was done with foam and the white, which I originally thought was clear. This one was done with the pink and a foam, and I ended up with a missing spot. I'm not sure how that happened, but that spot didn't cure, so I lost it after trying to buff it. And this one I did without a form and ended up with a cat hair in it, of course. This one I tried to do with a form, but my nail is super curvy on this one, and it wouldn't stay, so I just took it off and did it without the form. So that's what I've been able to get so far. So this stuff is not as easy as they say. And from the videos that I've watched of other people doing it on YouTube, this stuff is a lot thicker. I don't know if maybe I got some bad stuff, but I've been able at this point to peel every one that I've tried to do off. This time I buffed my nails before doing the process, so I don't know. So far I'm not a fan of Polygel.
I'm left behind, obeyed the light, but always a goal.